Hey guys, how you doing? Before we get started, I want to say a few things. Number one and most important, everything you're about to see I went through and made sure there is no sensitive information or anything that will cause any troubles. And also as well, I've gotten permission from my commanding officers to be able to put this out. Now, before you see it, what's probably something worth saying is I'm pretty much sure to say that there is nothing like this anywhere on the internet. Anyone who's put out any kind of video like this of all the training that the IDF does in this kind of a situation. So I believe you guys are going to enjoy this and sit back and have fun. Hey, I know I said I wasn't gonna probably put out a video this week because I'm in the Army, but I figured I'd let you guys in on a little bit of this adventure. So let me park here for a second. I'll be right back with you. So this week, I'm gonna be doing a lot of training, and it's basically like we've been talking about on our TGR news. The IDF has been doing a lot of exercises to get ready for anything that could be coming up. Sorry for all the cuts, but I'm having to find times where there's no sensitive information being overheard or the radio or anything like that. But so what we're going to do now is I'm going to take you and see how much I can show you of military exercises. We're going to have some in the day and some at the nighttime. So let's go see what that's like. Weather's turning bad, but we'll see what we do. It's like the post office in the rain and the sleet and the snow. Nothing's gonna make us stop. These guys are dressed up like the enemy to fight against our forces when we train. now it's nighttime. We're gonna start doing some night exercises. So I hope it's hard with an iPhone. It's hard to get some good footage at nighttime, but I'll see what I can get for you guys. Might be a little bit of short thing, but once again, I'm doing all of this with keeping in mind that I can't be letting out any kind of tactics or secrets or codes or anything else. So don't worry about that. It means that the video will be a little choppy, and I have to cut out certain sections. But at least it'll be something for you guys' entertainment. So let's see what we can get for tonight. Like I said, I'm doing all this on my iPhone, so during the night here, you can't see anything as soon as I'm out of the lights. So I won't be able to give you much video for the nighttime training, but I'll put in a little bit, whatever I can, whatever seems to look right. This is what we always do at the end of every training session. This is what we always do. Well, that comes to the end of our training. What you saw there at the end was a full day, a full night, and then in the morning again. In the morning, we did what we always do, which is a few mile, something between a jog and a run, where we pull out the stretchers and we act like someone was injured. And the IDF always has a policy where we never leave anyone behind. So we have to run out with them on the stretcher. And I hope this video was pretty interesting. For those of you who might have been watching this for the first time on our YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll always know when the next video is coming out. And it's a time for me to go home, see Ola and the kids and Mama and Daddy, and get back to our regular schedules. But once again, I'll be home for a week, and then I'll be back in another week. So this really was something special to be able to give to you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to join us on thegoldenreport.com. Well, I'm tired. I'm going home. Bye-bye.